Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the olive drab Victorinox Soldier Swiss Army knife. This was made in summer 2015 as a limited edition of 100 piece for swissbianco. We see the nice olive drab collar in A-locks together with the silver and red shield. On the back side we have the engraving plate. The tool combination is like any other Soldier Swiss Army knife. In two layers we have the bottom layer with the main blade and the awl, and then the top layer with the openers. Yeah, the olive drab collar is typical for USA with the military equipment, so we did select that collar. We wanted to do more camouflage collars for a long time. It's just sometimes the question what to select with all the possibilities of the different colors, but this one really did turn out absolute nice. It was made for the Blade Show 2015. That next to the Coyote Brown was the colors for that show. So currently that is in the swissbianco web shop on the website. Made in 100 pieces, limited edition by Victorinox, and once they are sold they are gone. That much about the 93mm A-locks Soldier in the olive drab color.